Hey guys, Spice Fry is back again with another fusion recipe, chicken Manchurian Poha. So let's begin cooking. First, we marinate the chicken in salt, soy sauce, vinegar, and green chilli paste. Let's start with first prepping our vegetables. We'll first finely chop the garlic, then finely chop the ginger, followed by the spring onions, the cabbage, the capsicum, and finally the green chilies. Begin cooking by adding the ginger, garlic and chilies in some oil and frying it all together. Follow this with the spring onions. Add some salt and give it all a good toss before you add in the chicken. After chicken comes the cabbage, then the capsicum, pour in 2 teaspoons of vinegar, followed by 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Add your pre-soaked poha and give it all a good mix. Transfer the chicken Manchurian Poha to a plate and garnish with fried noodles before serving. Subscribe to Spice Fry for more amazing recipes and don't forget to like and share.